it so hard to forget someone after a breakup? Because any breakup comes with some out of ordinary reasons that you never thought can happen with you. Let us face it, any breakup is hard to accept. It is never easy to forget someone whom you thought to be an integral part of your life. It leads to low self-esteem, sadness, and depression. Forgetting someone you loved so much is never easy. It is not supposed to be easy either. But it is also part of life. Things do happen. Breakup can happen for many different reasons, but in each case, it invariably creates a vacuum in our life and changes us forever. You need to restart your life again, and that is scary. The good news is that it is not impossible. Millions of people have done it, and millions of people will do it. It is not straightforward or easy, but you can also do it. It is part of the learning curve of life. You need to do it for yourself. Learning anything is never easy, and this is no different. Particularly, when it is learning about yourself and changing your thought process, it is even harder. So let's get to the points. Understanding these steps is only the beginning of the healing process. Number 1. Take your time. Cry. Grieve. Yell. Let it all come out. Give yourself time. Be easy on yourself. Time is the best healer. Tell yourself, it is going to be fine again, just have the patience. It takes time to accept and learn anything. Number 2, accept the fact. The first step for doing anything is to first accept it. So accept that you need to move on. Accept that the path of your life is going to change. Write down in a paper why it didn't work in the first place. Writing down the reasons will slowly train your mind. Number 3, break off completely. Give away everything of that person, or keep them away from you. This will help your mind not to get back to the memory lane. Tell yourself, I can be friendly later, but right now is not the time. Delete contacts and connections with the person in social media too. Number 4, take a break. Understand that this feeling of hurt and sorrow is natural, but temporary. The brilliant and radiant you will emerge soon. Change your daily routine slightly for a while. Take care of yourself, do something that you really love. Number 5, forgiveness. Yes, that person broke your heart. But you are better than that. Forgive that person, but learn from it. It is life, things do happen, but you should not be defined continuously by that person. Keeping anger will only hurt you. As Mark Twain said, anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. So, let it go. Number 6, socialize. Your life is much more than one single person. Spend time with your friends and family members. Create your happy time. Remember, they are the ones that shaped you, they are the constant source of your support. Spending time with them will remind you of yourself. Number 7, remain positive. Life is not a constant. One great thing about life is that it goes on. Never allow yourself to be defined by a single person in your life. Don't take yourself to the lane of negative thoughts. Just because a person was not right doesn't mean you should close yourself from life. Be open to possibilities. Love can hurt, but it also heals. As Maya Angelou said, have enough courage to trust love one more time, and always one more time. After giving all your efforts, if you still find it hard, please consult a professional. Because, at the end of the day, you must do it for yourself.